sure where I lost you, but we just checked the front differential. It looked good. We're checking the oil now. The card's been giving me a hard time. Must be getting close to being full. Now, it's on the dipstick. It's on, right? See it? But there's no oil in the filter. And it looks like it's all the way up to here. So let's start it up. So we know we got oil in there. That's a given. You see it. See it in there. It's all the way up to, looks like it's up on the cable. And again, while you're in here, check coolant and all that good stuff. Quick story for you. Back when I was in auto shop, Mr. Carney was my auto shop teacher, and he used to take the old oil, these oil containers, and drain the rest of them in an oil can. Another fun fact for you. I took all the auto shop classes Alpha High School had, so qualifies me for something. Check the oil, make sure it's in there, everything's good. We got to put the oil cap on. And this thing starts up pretty quick. I'd rather it didn't in this case. Okay, start right up. I'd have liked to have kicked it over a little bit to get the oil circulating, but let it run, warm up a little bit. Sounds good though. Sounds good. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright. And this thing has got a little information center. Look at that, oil pressure 65 PSI at a little, about 900 RPM. So watch when we rev it up. You don't want to rev it up too high. But it goes up to like 80. 84, 85. Yeah. You don't want to go too high. You don't want to test the components that much. So that's why you like to let things warm up in the morning. Or any time period. And the turbos cool them down. So what I like to do to make sure that you still with me? Good, 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 good. I like to grab the filter. When it's warm, you know there's oil going through it. It's warm. This would be a good opportunity. I know you're supposed to like warm the trans up, but and put it in neutral and all that good stuff. So we're just going to check it. Supposed to check it while it's running. So And it's good. See, it's on the cool side. Those two holes are for when it's cold. Smell it. Smells good. See, it's got, you can see that or not. So these are for when it's hot, these two, and everything in between is okay but when it's cold, that's okay. I don't know if this transmission ever warms up, so that's what it looks like. That's where we're at. Smells good on the cold side, but okay, that's good enough. We let it warm up. Still with me? You are. Good, good. But look at this. I believe this is the transcooler. This right here. This whole thing. I believe that's the transcooler. And really, that transmission doesn't really get hot because I got the information center here and it tells me. So look. What I mean by that is, so that's 52, the oil pressure. Trans temps 154. Coolant temps, well, they run about the same until you start driving. Then, you know, let's see what the oil pressure does when we rev it up a little bit. 60, 70, 2,000 RPM. We got 77 pounds of oil pressure. And then temperature's not quite half, but 158 on the trans, 158 on the coolant. See, but when it heats up, it goes down. When it gets to temperature, you know, it gets to 200 plus. Oil runs about between 30 and 40 psi, somewhere in there. Higher when you rev it up, but. Okay, now we check the oil, but we gotta let it go down in let it sit for about 5 minutes. So usually during that time I pick up tools and stuff, so I guess you could do that with me. Still with me. I appreciate you guys watching. You watching this long. It's nice. Again, I appreciate it. It really is. Please hit the like button, subscribe, because you never know what I'm going to put on YouTube. Building an adapter, you know, 4-way splitter for my log splitter. You just never know. You just never know. So, start putting tools away. And let's start with this. And yeah, always put the tools back where you find them. These little plastic things are kind of a pain. They organize them good, but holy moly, hard to get off. I'll pick that stuff up, and the oil, used oil, I'll dispose of that properly. AutoZone and Pet Boys, they're still around. I keep these tools with me. These are in the Jeep all the time. You own a Jeep, you gotta have tools. It's that simple. This goes up here. This goes here. Looks like we have all the everything else in there. This came with it, but so they don't get all shaken around and all that good stuff. I add bubble wrap. Looks good. That back in there that way. Is it the other way? Yeah, I think it goes the other way. There you go. Yeah, this some of this stuff that we have. camera, out of sight, out of mind. What time is it? About 15 minutes ago, somebody. What else? Okay, we'll go look in the after off camera. Well, let's go put these away. These go in the other side of the yard, but in the container. Go with me? Good, thank you. Here, put sunglasses on. My wife said I was squinting too much in the last video. The sun is shining. And just, you know, a little... Hey, you can't see the mountains today. They're cloudy. But yeah, we got hammered pretty hard with rain. About 2 straight days of it. And for California, that's a lot of rain at once. 4 inches in about 24 hours. You know, I know in Texas you get that in like 5 minutes. Here's the excavator we've been doing things with. I'm going to come in here and give it a kiss. Because I'm just that way. Here's the rear counterweight we made for it. Oh, you know what? I grab both of these things. I'm only bringing one. A little bit, you guys distract me a little bit. But that's okay. I appreciate the company. This is from splitting all that wood the other day. And that's all that wood. Most of it's oak. The other part of it's pine. I like to keep it separated. So you can put half and half, or but where did I put the again, this should give us plenty of time to check the oil. We're just waiting for it to go back down in the pan. Oh, there they are. See? There they are. Used oil, I'll dispose of it. But again, we're just waiting for the oil to go back in the pan. I knew there was 2 of these. Got them at Harbor Freight. They're Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty. Decent price. They work. They work good for, like they say, for the weekend warrior like myself. Of course, if you're a professional, you probably want to go with, if you're going with Snap, or you know, go Snap-on or Mac. But for what I do, this works fine. Get them on sale. I'm a member of their inner member, or whatever they call it. Here. Can't wait till I have a shop, really. But step by step. So let me double check something. Yeah, I was putting this thing away right before it was raining. Yep, we're good. Okay, making sure it's off. The other day, I got video of that. You'll see it. I got to get around to editing this stuff. Just I'm gonna put it on the. You still with me?